The Galaxy S23 series has formally exceeded the Galaxy S22 lineup by an important margin. It's a big win for Samsung, but it could be a lost win if the next major choice fails. Despite the amazing success of the Galaxy S23 series, which was largely due to Samsung adopting the Qualcomm chip all over the world, for some reason they chose to throw it away and bring back the dead, which is Exynos. And now we got our first approval regarding which market is getting yes, say final goodbye to Qualcomm, because Exynos is heading to Europe, according to ICE Universe. Of course, this also likely indicates we'll see it in the UK. It's happening again, and it's likely to be the path Samsung will continue to move in the future. As is customary, Europe will not be the sole market for the Exynos. Samsung will very certainly deliver this chip to Asia, particularly the big Indian market. Recent rumors indicate that the Exynos 2400 will be a very capable chip, possibly with similar performance to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but we're bound to see some performance differences due to the various process of manufacture as Samsung makes use of their 4nm tech, which is improved. But is it as good as TSMC's 4nm? We don't know. As I previously stated, Samsung can't fail with this Exynos generation, because if they do, people will forever lose trust in Samsung. Also in the news, I know we just had a big primary camera improved this year with the S23 Ultra 200MP ISOCELL HP2 sensor, but guess what? An updated version of this sensor is coming to the S24 Ultra. According to ICE Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will back a new ISOCELL HP2 SX 200MP sensor. It is going to be further optimized to bring the best performance. Along with this, as we talked about before, we are indeed getting a new 50MP 3x optical. Last but not least, there will come a time when Samsung will formally release a rollable screen phone, which could be in 2025. This has been going on for quite some time, as we have seen a number of various prototypes from Samsung, as well as other companies, as well currently with Motorola showing off their rollable screen mobile device. So it's a very real possibility that we'll be seeing this technology very soon. And given that Samsung was the first to bring a folding phone to international markets, it stands to reason that they will do the same with a rollable phone, maybe in 2025. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.